Did you know 11 men once pulled off what the FBI called the crime of the century by robbing an unbreakable fortress in just 19 minutes? January 17th, 1950. Boston's Brinks headquarters was supposed to be impregnable, but for 18 months a gang of masterminds had been watching. They posed as repairmen, memorizing every hallway. They studied guard schedules down to the minute. They even created duplicate keys. On that cold winter night, 11 men dressed in identical Navy peacoats and Halloween masks moved like ghosts through multiple locked doors. No alarms, no gunshots, just precision. In 19 minutes, they vanished with $2.7 million. When FBI agents arrived, they knew this wasn't some amateur smash and grab. This was criminal genius at work. The investigation became the most expensive in FBI history at that time. 6 years of dead ends, until gang member Joseph O'Keefe broke the sacred code of silence. The perfect crime unraveled because of the oldest rule in criminal history. There's no honor among thieves.